Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on percentage of a quantity. To find the percentage of a quantity, change the percentage to a simple fraction and multiply the simple fraction by the given quantity. Remember, we saw in earlier videos that of means multiplication. So wherever you see of, we use the multiplication sign. Example 1. Find 50% of 24 apples. The solution, 50% of 24 apples equals 50 over 100, because that's what 50% means, of 24 apples. 50 over 100, when we simplify it, is a half, because 50 into 50 goes once, and 50 into 100 goes twice. So we've divided top and bottom by 50. Of means multiplication, and there's your 24. 1 times 24 is 24. 2 ones are 2. 2 divided into 24 is 12. So 50% of 24 apples is 12 apples. Example 2. Find 40% of 30 cakes. Solution. 40% of 30 cakes equals 40 over 100, because that's what 40% means, of 30 cakes. Now 40 over 100, if we divide top and bottom by 10, that gives us 4 over 10. Of means multiplication, and that's 30 over 1. Now 4 over 10, we can simplify that to 2 over 5, because we divide top and bottom by 2. So it's 2 over 5 times 30 over 1. 2 times 30 is 60. 5 ones are 5. 60 divided by 5 is 12. So 40% of 30 cakes is 12 cakes. Find 75% of 36 pairs. Solution. 75% of 36 pairs equals 75 over 100, because that's what 75% means, of 36 pairs. That's 75 over 100 times 36 over 1, because of means multiplication. Now to simplify 75 over 100, we divide top and bottom by 25. 75 divided by 25 gives us 3. 100 divided by 25 gives us 4. 36 over 1 is there. 3 times 36 is 108, and 4 ones are 4. 108 divided by 4 gives us 27. So 75% of 36 pairs is 27 pairs. Example 4, find 90% of 70 books. Solution, 90% of 70 books is 90 over 100 of 70 books, which is 90 over 100 times 70 over 1, because of means multiplication. To simplify 90 over 100, you divide top and bottom by 10. So that gives us 9 over 10. There's your 70 over 1. 9 times 70 is 630, and 10 ones are 10. 630 divided by 10 is 63. So 90% of 70 books is 63 books. Example 5. Find 150% of 8 pens. Solution, 150% of 8 pens is 150 over 100 of 8 pens, which is 150 over 100 times 8 over 1. To simplify this, divide top and bottom by 50. That gives us 3 over 2. There's your 8 over 1. 3 eighths are 24. 2 ones are 2. 24 divided by 2 is 12. So 150% of 8 pens is 12 pens. Find 300% of 5 cats. So the solution, 300% of 5 cats is 300 over 100 of 5 cats, which is 300 over 100 times 5 over 1. To simplify 300 over 100, just divide top and bottom by 100. 300 divided by 100 is 3. 100 divided by 100 is 1. So it's 3 over 1 times 5 over 1. 3 5s are 15, and 1 times 1 is 1. 15 over 1 is 15. So 300% of 5 cats is 15 cats.